Today, we will show you how to install the new Garmin Messenger app and activate your new GPS Map 67i satellite communicator. The device and app allows for smart switching between Wi-Fi, LTE, and satellites. The best path available is used. To complete the process, you will need a compatible iOS or Android smartphone to install the Garmin Messenger app. We will be using an Android smartphone, but the process is very similar between the different operating systems. You will also need a valid debit or credit card to activate the inReach subscription to use satellite communication features on your GPS Map 67i device. To begin, power on your GPS Map 67i. Then select your language, followed by selecting Activate. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. By scanning the code, you will be directed to the install page for the Garmin Messenger application on either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the download has completed, open the Garmin Messenger app. When you open the Garmin Messenger app for the first time, a short overview will display. Select Get Started. Then select Sign In if you already have a Garmin account. In this video, we are creating a new inReach account. Select Create Account. Enter your account credentials, then select Next. Once signed in, verify your mobile number and accept the terms and conditions before tapping Next. Then the Garmin Messenger app will send a verification code to your smartphone that you will enter into the app. Next, enable permissions so that your GPS Map 67i and the Messenger app can switch between Wi-Fi, LTE, and satellites to allow for better message delivery. Now we will pair your GPS Map 67i device with the Messenger app. Select the gear icon, followed by Pair. Then select Connect It when the app finds your device. Select Pair and Connect to begin pairing your device. A Bluetooth pairing code will display on your GPS Map 67i. Enter the code and select OK. You are now ready to activate your device. Select Activate on your Android device and Activate Device on your GPS Map 67i. Then select your country. Now review and accept the terms and conditions. Then select Next, followed by entering in your personal account information. Then select Next. Now enter your emergency contact information. These are the individuals that will be contacted in case of an emergency. Once that information has been entered, select Next. Now it's time to choose the plan that's right for you. Choose either the Contract or Freedom plan. Then choose your plan option. You can select the Safety, Recreation, or Expedition plan. Then select Next. All plans include Garmin's SOS coordination. You can review the plan details by selecting View Details. When finished, select Next at the bottom. Now you can add the additional search and rescue insurance. This is not required, but may be helpful to those looking for the additional benefit. It can be added at any time. If you do not wish to have this coverage, select Continue without coverage at the bottom. Now agree to Garmin subscription services before continuing. Review and confirm your information and select Next. Confirm and agree to the plan you have selected and enter your billing information. Select Same as Primary Address if your billing address is the same as your primary. Now enter your credit card information. You will need to authorize recurring payments before selecting Save. Finally, select Next to finish your inReach Messenger activation. On your GPS Map 67i, a test message will be sent automatically to confirm a successful activation. Select Continue to finish this process. Once the confirmation message has been received on the GPS Map 67i, it's ready to use. For more information about our inReach Messenger app, please watch our overview video for helpful tips. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.